Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy, low miles. Features also include rear view camera, tinted glass, third row seating, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, stop by and take a look at the 2019 Grand Caravan. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights. Inside you'll find backup camera, keyless entry, rear AC, Sirius satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, security system, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, cruise control. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.